Can I interrupt for a minute? No? I need your help. You're not going to help me today? Why? Can I ask you why, sir? I can't ask you why? This is more important than helping a citizen? I'm just asking you for help, sir. I gave up my right as a citizen. Could you please prove that? Could you please prove that, my friend? That is a hefty accusation, sir. I am not a so-called free man on the land. I'd like to confirm that for and on the record, my friend. Are you denying to help me? That's more important than helping someone? You say that I denied my citizenship? How do you know that? Who told you that? Because I need to clear my name. Who told you that? Could you please tell me who told you that, or identify yourself so I could send you some mail so you could help me find out how to fix my name? It's much more important. So you're not going to help me today? Do you have a first name? Well, I've talked to you before many times. Thanks. I don't ever want to talk to you again. If you ever talk to me, I will charge you with harassment. You just yell at me? What did you just yell at me, sir? Did you just tell me to watch out or something? Are you concerned for my safety? Did you just speak to me? You didn't. You didn't speak to me. You're lucky I wasn't recording. Don't ever speak to me, ever, because I don't trust you. You're on notice. I just missed him. He totally just drove away and did not chase anybody down at all. Just went down that way and turned right. Here I am in front of the Owen City Courthouse. And my friend Joy has gone back in to acquire her transcripts that she's paid for. And I've just videotaped two out of uniform officers running back. Not sure what for, probably to talk to Joy maybe, I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I really hope that she's okay in there and nothing bad happens. Cruiser number 49 just pulled away, won't talk to me, he knows I want to talk to him.
I'm on spatialbroadcasting.ca. It's 5:05. Let's take a look at the weekend forecast.